Welcome to the second video of my coffee bar build series. In this video, I'm adding the legs, the face frames, and some molding on the side. I'm going to get started with the legs. The front legs are easy to clamp to the side of the case using small F-style clamps. You do have to be a little more creative on the back legs. I'm only going up 2 legs at a time, and while this takes twice as long to get the legs attached, I feel like the reduction in stress is definitely worth it. This first back leg lined up really well, and I didn't have to use a lot of clamping pressure. That definitely was not the case for the second one. I ended up clamping a 2x2 against the back of the cabinet and used it to pull the leg flush against the side of the cabinet. I'm using clamping cause to keep the janky plywood top straight while I attach the face frame. Once it's glued in place, it'll ensure that the top stays straight. Now that all the face frame pieces are cut, I can glue them into place. I'm using 1.5" brads to hold them in place while the glue dries. I use damp paper towels and popsicle sticks to wipe off the excess glue before it dries. After filling holes with wood putty, I find using a spatula dipped in water is the best way to smooth it over. cut 1.5-inch strips from my plywood offcuts, and I'm using them to support the face frame that overhangs the bottom of the cabinet. I'm gluing them in place and using 1.25-inch brads to hold them until the glue dries. With the face frames done, I can add the molding. After cutting it, I'm gluing it and using 1-inch brads to hold it in place while the glue dries. Well, that'll wrap up this second video on my coffee bar build series. Stay tuned for the next video where I build the top. If you're following along and building your own coffee bar, at this point it's looking like a piece of furniture. Seems like a good time for a coffee break. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.